Hi guys, I'm Young. I've been the owner of Spark for the last 5 months. So let me hear, why did you guys get Spark? Well, it's really light, it's toy looking, and it's also half price of Mavic, and it has really great HD resolution. So it all kind of comes down to the very reason that I got my drone, to get that perfect selfie video of myself while I travel. How do you get that perfect selfie? Let me not waste any of your time, and let's get straight into point number 1. I use quick shot and active track mode religiously. Drone is particularly handy. Rocket can be done manually instead. Helix mode is great, but you need a lot of space. In circle mode, I actually just use active track mode instead. Doesn't limit the time and the distance that it flies. Use these intelligent flight modes to get those cinematic, beautiful shots. So now I'm gonna tell you what to do, like how to act. The second way is to act natural. So especially when you're not looking at the drone, then look like absorbing the beautiful surrounding around you. Was that natural at all? But you know what I'm saying. If you're looking at the drone, then look happy. Look really happy. I mean, you must be happy at that time as well, right? I mean, you got the drone now because you think the environment is really beautiful. You want to capture that moment. You're so happy, so show it. Show it to your new best friend. Like wave and look happy. Do some action and so on. But of course, if you wave, don't wave too frantically, because I realized that I had to actually decrease the speed of that shot. So, like wave, like the queen. So wave gracefully, and DJI Spark will make sure that it gets that perfect shot. Be careful when you're flying a drone. It goes without saying. I was going at an active track at an angle, and then it came to a palm leaf, which one of the propellers cut, and I immediately stopped the active track mode, but it already lost the balance and it fell for about a meter. And then after it came clear of any leaf, then it just hovered. So the drone was actually flying fine after that, but let's fly safe. I've learned my lesson this time. I wanted to share my mistake with you, so let's fly safe. Spark is meant for outdoor. Get outside and practice. Whenever I travel or go outdoor, then I take Spark with me, regulation permitting. And I've been practicing for the last 5 months, and then now I'm getting the hang of like what's good to take and so on. So practice and let's improve together. I've just ordered Mavic Air. It will arrive next week. So I'll be doing a lot of review of Mavic Air and comparison with Spark. So if you'd like to hear more from me, then please subscribe and like this video. See you next time!